Is everybody ready to start this show? Let's get
Tomorrow isn't the world. We can make it our world. We're heading down this long road together. Keep your eyes on the big prize. This is all the way. We're heading for the ride together.
We think that having a transportation bill is a jobs bill. It puts people to work, and puts people to work using equipment like this. We hope we can get it done by August. That's our goal. A 6-year bill, so people really have the big, bold plan of what the president wants to get done.
All the manufacturers have been really waiting for this news. The Secretary said it will be a 6-year bill, which is fantastic news for the construction industry in the US.
Trimble Construction Technology, the best solution for heavy and highway projects. Powerful and rugged, proven to increase job site productivity. Technology that's simple to use, easy as that.
Welcome to the first episode of Conexpo Conag News, coming to you from the Convention Centre in Las Vegas. I'm Christine Keys.
There's been a lot of anticipation built for this show. The most notable new products at this point is the Caterpillar CT660 off-road heavy-duty truck. Tomorrow, Deere has a major reveal where they have 3 machines on their stand right now.
Tier 4 emission standards are expected to dominate conversations at the show this year, with a number of new products that meet the standards being released this week.
An interesting development from Komatsu. They are coming out with the HB215. It's a hybrid excavator. Now, lots of companies have talked about hybrid construction machines before. We've seen prototypes here and there. Komatsu's actually gone the whole distance. They've got a production machine.
I'm the president of AEM this year, so I'm kind of the chairman of the Conexpo. And when we get all done, I think it'll be probably a little bit better than 2008.
We have a lot of new products to show. We've made some major improvements to our portfolio, and we're also going into segments where we were not going before. We're really driving further into this connected site solution, which is really a portfolio of applications that are now getting more and more integrated with our machine control systems. So the machine control system is really a connected machine control system. It connects to back to the site office, it connects back to the mothership, if you will, to the main company. So we're introducing a product called GCS Flex, the Grade Control System Flex, which is really sort of a system for everybody. They can get into the technology with this GCS Flex system and get to work right away. It's a system that comes in a case. It sells for under $10,000, and it's something that a customer can install and train himself on in a matter of an hour or 2.
And that's the big switch in the customer today. It's not just about product and features of a tractor. It's, since they bid their business, how can you most effectively help me to be more competitive in what I do every day? But what happens after the show is what counts. In the next 6 months or so, if indeed the market continues to move up, then you know that certainly the business is beginning to have a more solid foundation.
Thousands of visitors flocked to the first day of Conexpo Conag 2011, where the event kicked off with the opening ceremony.
Conexpo Conag is the largest trade show in the Western Hemisphere, offering over 2,000 exhibitors and industry experts from all corners of the globe. So I'd like to personally thank the over 100,000 people here today for coming and making Conexpo Conag what it is. Is everybody ready to start this show?
It is a showcase. It's a showcase for the industry and the products that we produce.
But those people that buy have to have consistency of message coming out of Washington, and they also have to have a belief that this market will continue to grow and that they'll have work for this equipment. You don't buy a piece of equipment like this for one job. You have to buy it for the future and know that you can use it years to come. We're a U.S. manufacturer, and what we're saying to our government and to our representatives is, this country has always come out of recession through infrastructure. If you go back to the Great Depression, the WPA projects and the work projects brought this country out of depression.
Expectant crowds gathered this morning for two product unveilings. The John Deere launch was an impressive production, with John Deere customers playing a major role in the design of the new 944K hybrid electric loader and the 460E articulated dump truck.
Our team, they've worked years on this. The planning starts right after you finish a show. So 3 years ago, we talked about we're on it, and then we said, how are we going to really let our customers understand that we listen and respond? So all these products that we introduced was represented by the input we received from our customers.
The machines we produce today are much more efficient, much more fuel efficient, and much more productive per gallon of fuel than they were 10 years ago. This industry's come a long way. We'd kind of like the government to come along with us.
In breaking news, Chinese company Lugong has announced it's acquiring the construction equipment division of Polish company HSW.
This will be our first acquisition of a company outside our domestic market.
Conexpo is a huge opportunity for Lugong. This year we're making a major push to grow our presence in North America. So we're very pleased to be here. We think it's a great opportunity for us to show what Lugong is all about to the North American market.
We are looking to move Roadtech into the European theater. We're looking at a facility in most likely Hamelin, Germany, and negotiating with a local company. And the intention is sometime in the next 90 days we expect to be part of a Aztec Europe facility in northern Germany, and that facility would be there to service UK, Europe, Middle East. That's a market that we felt very strongly at Roadtech that we needed to be a part of, and we're going to make the investment in 2011 to get it done.
There's a whole technology, I think, coming that will be driven by now, unfortunately, very high oil prices, and that will spur invention across the board. Our paving group is really spending a lot of time, think time and resources on exactly how do we do this to get more stretch out of a mile or kilometer worth of asphalt. Conexpo 3 years from now, sustainability, 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 and technology. Those two things, I think, will drive what we see 3 years from now.
Welcome to Conexpo Conag News, coming to you from Central Hall at the Convention Centre in Las Vegas. I'm Christine Keys.
Always here on the Conexpo. It's for us a very important market, the North American one, and here we meet our customers. Not only from North America, they are coming from all over the world. Latin America, Europe, Australia, it's fantastic. And it's a fantastic place to have an exhibition, especially for construction. We see a lot of people in a good mood, better than a year ago or 2 years ago. It seems to be that the market comes back and it's with our customers too, and that's great to see. The mood is perfect here. We like it. And from that point of view, of course, we sell a lot. It's great. We have quite a lot. We have behind you quite a big one. That's a QI 440. It's a new impact crusher. By the way, we have a QI 240 standing outside. Behind me here, it's a DI 550. It's our new down the hole range, our flagship for that. Quite good. Already in test. Very, very good in drilling performance.
Well, I've been here since Tuesday morning when the show started, and yes, I'm very pleased to see the whole booth as busy as it's been all the time, and excellent comments from customers.
For us, really, it's a chance to get really close to our core customer base, where everybody is in the one spot at the same time. 3 years from now, I would say you'll see many of the components that we might have in our booth today all completely talking to each other in real time, where the customer will be able to look at the production he's getting on the job. He'll be able to look at the progress through the job remotely via the internet from anywhere on the planet. So large customers that maybe are working in multiple states throughout America, multiple countries around the world, will all have the machines connected to the home office, managing their production and managing the maintenance of the equipment.
Welcome to Conexpo Conag News, coming to you from the Convention Centre in Las Vegas. I'm Christine Keys. In today's show, breaking news from US Secretary of Transportation, Ray LaHood.
We think that having a transportation bill is a jobs bill. It puts people to work, and puts people to work using equipment like this. It's not only the job, but then it's the ability for companies to buy equipment like this that help Caterpillar, that help the people that work at Caterpillar. There are so many spin-offs from Congress passing a transportation bill, not just for the jobs that are provided, but for the equipment that's purchased and the people that use the equipment. We hope we can get it done by August. That's our goal. A 6-year bill, so people really have the big, bold plan of what the president wants to get done.
That we specialized in attachment. We are the only one small company in our industry to design and produce all our line of product. We have a nice Italian wine. We took with us a nice big wheel of Parmesan cheese and a prosciutto that we sliced by the knife. You know, it's Italian way of making business.
While we were out on the lots today, we got amongst the visitors and road tested some of the exhibits ourselves.
That's a mighty fine cup of coffee.
Well, that's it for Conexpo Conag News for this year. We hope you've enjoyed the show. See you next time.
Trimble Construction Technology, the best solution for heavy and highway projects. Powerful and rugged. Proven to increase job site productivity. Technology that's simple to use. Easy as that.